Hi, I'm Jenny Powlesland. I'm Head of Teaching and Learning, and I'm here to give you a little tour of Google Classroom. Google Classroom is one of our main teaching and learning platforms and methods of communication between teachers and students at the school. As a parent, you don't have direct access to your child's account, but your child does, and you can ask them to have a look at any time. When your child joins the school, they'll be asked to join a Google Classroom for each of their different subjects, and they may also have a Google Classroom for some of their co-curricular clubs, their house and their tutor group. You can see here we've got a few different subjects and some of the other different groups that your child might be part of. This is a test account, so your child's account may look slightly different. If you're interested in finding out what your child is learning in different subjects, you can ask to have a look at their Google Classrooms. Here you'll be able to see the resources that teachers have posted and the supporting information. If you'd like to chat to them about it, I'm sure your child would love to tell you more about what they've been learning. It's worth knowing your child will also have work in exercise books and other online platforms. But if you go into their Google Classroom, you'll be able to see the different assignments that they've been set and some of the resources that teachers have posted in order to help with that. In addition to the individual subject accounts, you can access an amalgamated list of prep or homework called the to-do list. This can be useful for planning family logistics and supporting your child to get their prep in on time. You can get to this by going to the Google Classroom and to the sidebar where it says to-do list. So we can see here that there are 2 prep assignments due here, and that these are the dates when the prep assignments are due. Prep will be due in the lesson on that day. You can ignore the time. There's some prep due this week, therefore. We've got some academic scholars prep and some ATL prep, and then looks like we've got some science prep for next week as well. And in case you're wondering about this list of tasks, 100 tasks here with no due date, don't worry, these aren't prep. If you have prep set, then it will always have a due date on it and be under these assignment lists here. So the no due date tasks are not prep or homework. If your child has any questions about the resources, prep or tasks that their teachers have set on Google Classroom, they should get in touch by sending their teacher an email or seeing them the next time they're in class together. If you have any questions, you're most welcome to get in touch with your child's tutor who can help. We hope you found this video useful.